Hello, my friends. Welcome to yet another interesting edition of cooking on Benedict's table. Today we'll be cooking Edikaikong soup or vegetable soup. One pot vegetable soup. Benedict's table, where every meal is made with love. Alright, welcome back. Let's get started. In a pot, you add your palm oil, heat it up a little, then go in with your pepper mix. That pepper mix has some scotch bonnet pepper, onion, and whatever it is you want to add to it to spice things up. Next, we go in with our assorted meat. I bet you've never seen this method of cooking vegetable soup before. Add some grounded crayfish and stir. Cover and allow to cook for a few minutes or seconds. Next, you go in with your already washed and chopped water leaf. Please do not add water to this because the water leaf contains lots of water, so while cooking it will bring out its own water. Now I'm going to be adding my croaker fish in here to cook together with this vegetable, the water leaf. Now we stir this a little and then we cover and wait. One reason I love this method of cooking Edikaikong soup is it's so easy and very fast. Everything in one pot. Next we season with our seasoning powder. Now can you see the liquid in it, the water in it? So that all came from the water leaf. That is why I told you to be mindful of the quantity of water you add. Next we're going with our ugu, yes, or pumpkin leaf. My friends, let me tell you something, but promise me you're not going to tell anyone. This method of cooking the soup is a lazy method, yeah. So whenever I feel so lazy or not in the mood to cook anything, I just do everything in one pot. The protein, steaming of the protein, cooking the soup, generally everything in one pot. And something again, if you dread washing plates, please use this method. If you dread washing pots or plates, this method is 100% advisable. Alright, that is that with our secret. Now can you see that everything has come together? Your Edikaikong soup is Edikaikong, and it looks so sumptuous with the fish, with the assorted meat. Everything looks so inviting. If you've watched to this point, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share, and leave nice comments on this, and try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. Until my next video, stay safe and out of trouble. Bye.